schools in New Providence have not yet returned to face-to-face instruction. Ministry officials are working to ensure that when that time comes, school campuses are ready for students' return. Minister of State for Education Zane Lightbourne recently toured schools that are undergoing extensive renovations.
The purpose of the tour is to have the stakeholders present, the project managers and contractors, to see the timing of the possibility of school opening and the extent to which work has been completed or is being done. We want to make sure that we are all in agreement with the relevant stakeholders, unions and others, to make sure that we can give the public, the students and the parents, a general idea of when we can expect them to be back in school.
And as for when face-to-face instruction resumes,
I would like to say that before this particular school year has ended, we would be able to make some of those determinations. I must say that it is incumbent on us to wait for health to determine that. And some schools will, in my estimation, have to open before others. We want to use that particular estimation properly, wisely, and then make alternative suggestions also in cases where we don't see that happening at a physical structure like this one, where the extension of the work may be beyond the timeline.
for Ed Talk, I'm Adama Williams.
Want to stay in the know? Subscribe. Text 819-BMOE. That's 819-2663. Remember to like and subscribe to our social media platforms.